I will quickly show you how to activate the proxy in WhatsApp, how it works, and what benefits we can get from it. We quickly open the WhatsApp application to show you. Once we are inside WhatsApp, we go to the top to the three dots to access the settings. Then we go to this part settings. Once we are inside settings, we will scroll down and look for the option that says storage and data. Then we will enter the option that says proxy. And once we are inside proxy in Ambrosius process, we can click where it says more information, and this way a text will appear explaining very well what the proxy is for. Then we click on set proxy. Here I will enter a proxy that doesn't exist, for example 1.1.1 for once, and I click accept. And this way I have this proxy activated, and this will help me make WhatsApp go offline. See that if I send a message, WhatsApp will go offline, but other applications like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all will stay online except WhatsApp. See that the message doesn't go through. It doesn't go through because I have an incorrect proxy. Para mas to know if at any point we want to deactivate WhatsApp's internet, we can do it this way, but it won't affect any other application. Now then, let's remove that incorrect proxy so you can see that WhatsApp will automatically send. We go again to settings, then data storage, you can deactivate the proxy, and this way see that the WhatsApp message has already arrived because I sent it to a second WhatsApp I have on this phone. And if we go back, see that it already has the 2 check marks for sent. What happens is that in some countries, governments do not allow the WhatsApp application though. So with the proxy, we can bypass those requirements and use WhatsApp normally. If we press and hold the proxy we created, this way we hold it down and we can delete it. So I hope you like this video, put it into practice, and remember to check the description of this video where I leave more tricks and tips about WhatsApp that you should know to get the most out of this instant messaging application.